Ito pala si OPPO Reno 6 5G, ang latest Reno phone ni OPPO. Meron siyang napakabilis na processor, Dimensity 900, 5G na yan. Meron siyang 65 watts of fast charging Super VOOC 2.0. 64MP triple camera setup. Nakita ko na yung mga pictures niya. Ang ganda masyado. Sure ka ba dyan? Meron siyang 90Hz refresh rate, AMOLED display. But probably the best thing about this phone is its design. Box type siya, guys. Dati kasi puro pa curved. Ngayon, flat back, flat front, sides, and pretty much everywhere flat, guys. Napaka-premium ng design niya. I just love it. Guys, ang ganda rin manood sa YouTube. Maganda yung blocks niya. Sobrang deep. Almost pure. And the HDR gumagana siya dito. Ang ganda na kanyang overall image quality. And this phone is high in brightness din Pwede mo siyang gamitin sa labas during daylight. It has a peak brightness 750 nits. Mataas yung brightness niya. Kayang-kaya niya sa outdoors. Which is one of the main advantages of AMOLED. Isa pa sa gaming. There you go. Mobile Legends. Inglorious HD quality and flat display. So look at yan. Look at the shape of the phone when I'm playing it. Kakaiba diba? It looks different from most Android phones that I've reviewed before. Napansin ko na sobrang lawak ng map dito. Siguro dahil sobrang sagad ng kanyang display at mataas yung resolution niya dito. Yes, the game has been set to a high resolution, resulting in characters looking very 1080p by 1920. It is a high resolution game. You can definitely notice it from the character models, the map, everything looks quite sharp. Kaya lang feeling ko lang dahil tinasan yung resolution, kaya siguro naka-grade out yung ultra graphics dito. Yes, high graphics na siya, pero meron na siyang HFR mode. I just think that's the reason. But yes, at high graphics, napakaganda na kanyang itsura, smooth naman, hindi siya nag-frame drops. I think this phone is well optimized for the game. Well, mabilis siya, pero gaano kabilis? That is the question. Well, this is the Antutu benchmark score. The power of the Dimensity 900 processor will give you 423,000 points in Antutu. Alam niyo na yan, mataas yan para sa mid-range. This is a high-scoring phone. At sa ganitong bilis, kahit anong gawin niyo sa home screen, sa Facebook, light browsing, or kahit anong mga bagay na hindi ganun kabigat, maning-manila yan sa processor na to. Everything will look very smooth and very fast.